A bathroom before the bathroom. This here you can like get ready, you can, you know, do your makeup. Super strong coffee. Good morning guys, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in Shillong, Meghalaya, India, Northeast India. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my guest house apartment tour. This place is awesome. This is called the Soram Villa Homestay. They have 5 rooms and they have a cottage. It's a 3-story building, and right now what we're in is the hut on the 3rd level on the rooftop basically. And here you have breakfast, you have lunch, you have dinner, you can get some coffee, some juice. I personally haven't been eating here just because I've been outside filming every single day, and it's right in front of St. Anthony's College and only like a 10-minute drive to Police Bazaar. And Police Bazaar is where everything's happening. That's like the marketplace. You have street food vendors, you have people selling shoes, clothing, I mean you name it, you can get a haircut there. That's what I did the other day. And yeah, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna take you on a tour of the property. Are you guys ready? Let's go explore the property. And that's the hut on the rooftop. Awesome place. You can see, love it. It's chilly right now, it's like 70 degrees, sun's out. Just need a scarf because some points in the shade it gets really cold. Beautiful view over St. Anthony's College, you can see right there. Now let's go downstairs and let me show you the property. So, woo, nice. So we have 3 rooms up there, right? Terrace 3, 4, and 5. Plants here, very nice. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I love this. Look at that, the elephant. Really cool.
Yeah.
You have a turtle one as well. Nice, dude. And then here is my level. Okay, cool. So this is level 2. This is where I'm staying. We have another room here. It's room 2 or 1. And I'm in this room. And right here, as you can see, this is like a cool terrace. So I can come out here, relax, work from here. We have Wi-Fi. It's been really chill here. And the people, the owner is super nice. And yeah, let me show you this. Got a lock? Okay. Perfect. Open it. There we go. And this is it. So it's basically a studio guest house, right? Like a studio apartment. Right when you walk in, we have towels, we have an extra blanket, and just a lot of places to put clothing. You can hang up your clothing if you're gonna be here multiple nights. Over here we have another clothing rack, as you can see. You have a table you can open up. Here, this is like my backpack, got my luggage here. And this is my room, as you can see. It's a little messy, sorry they haven't cleaned it because it's really early. I just like made my bed. This is an extra blanket because it was really cold last night. Oh, it was really chilly. This is another bed, obviously, so 2 twin beds. Over here we have a TV, right? Nice TV. And over here I have my little station to charge all my stuff. So I have like 4 chargers here, 5 chargers. And then here we have the bathroom. Nice, super clean bathroom. I think this is marble, right? So here in India it's a little different. You have the heater, right? When you want to take a shower, what you have to do is you have to come here, press this button, turn on the heater. 20 minutes later, it's ready to take a shower. So I have like 2 buckets here. So I usually fill up, right? And just like bathe myself like this. Or you can bathe yourself with the shower head, right? Toilet, faucet, right? More plugs. Love it. And we also have some pictures here of Meghalaya. So we actually went to this place yesterday, it's Sara. And then when you're leaving, lock up, right? Always lock up. Never leave this open. I mean, just always be safe and sorry. Whoa, got locked up in here. What's happening? Put it on, close, lock. All right, so let's continue with the property. As you can see, downstairs we have a carport. And the view, here we don't really have a great view. Upstairs a better view. You can see St. Anthony's College right there. They have a lot of plant life here. I like it. They made it very cozy. This is like just one massive house that they've changed into a guest house. Next up, let me show you the Assam type cottage. A very old cottage. It's right downstairs, right there. As you can see, it's like a house. So it has a kitchen, has multiple rooms. Oh, I can't wait to see it. Whew. Starting to heat up, huh?
Yep.
Starting to really get hot right now. But I like this. I like my little wool scarf. I don't want to take it off. You're the owner. I'm sorry, what's your name?
Josephine.
Josephine's the owner.
Yeah. My mom is there, my sister's there.
Okay, so it's a family thing.
Yep.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
So follow me, guys. Wow. So we have a little living room here. Oh, I love this. See. Oh, Very chill. Wow, super high ceilings here. What is this, 20 feet?
Yep.
Easily. 12 feet. Over here we have bedroom. Wow, this is very nice. Very spacious, very cozy, you know? You can see 12-foot ceilings. Here we have some extra blankets. You know, it is Shillong. Shillong, it does get cold. Extra blankets there. We have a heater if you need it. Some nights you might, some nights. Okay, bathroom. So it's like a bathroom before the bathroom. This here you can like get ready, you can, you know, do your makeup. Oh, nice, I like it a lot. So we have the shower. So I love the tiling here, the tile work. The toilet, faucet, very nice. We also have another heater always. So this one has a button here. Right there, turns on. Let's leave it off for now. Let's see the rest of the house. Now we're entering the kitchen. This is like a real house. This is huge. Look at this. Awesome. Huge dining table. You got cups. We have utensils there. You can make your eggs here. We got pans. Oh, I love everything here. Very nice, very clean. And we have the fridge over here, obviously. It's empty, but when you come here, they'll leave some stuff in there for you. And then here's the master bedroom. Master bedroom. This is amazing, amazing. Really nice. Same as the other room. Very high ceilings, huge king size bed. Over here we have another bed, so if you have a small child, they can sleep here. You know, it's just, you know, more comfortable like that. Then here, I love the blue, by the way. The blue. Oh, so the lighting's Mizo?
Yeah, Mizo
okay.
style.
Yeah, because the owners are from Mizo, so.
Yeah.
Double bathroom. So here we have a place where you can hang stuff. So you can hang like a, you know, a wet towel. And then here you can, you know, get your towel. Nice fresh towels here. Big bathroom, look at this. Awesome. Heater. I mean, this is perfect. And there you have it, my Soram Villa Homestay tour. This place is incredible. Next time you visit India, definitely consider coming up to Northeast India and especially visiting Meghalaya. Meghalaya is like a plateau mountainous region. It's really cold here. It's called the Scotland of the East. It's completely different from the rest of India. It's like, they have pork, they have beef, it's cold. The people look more like Southeast Asian over Indian. Very different culture here, 3 different tribes up here. And yeah, visiting Shillong, I'd say visit for like 4 to 7 nights. If you really want to see the whole state, you need at least 7 nights because everything takes time. You're up in the mountains, so everything's like zigzagging roads. You know, yesterday we went to Cherrapunji, so that's a great place to visit. You can go over there, see the double-decker living root bridge. You can see waterfalls. You can have amazing food in Sora, in the market. And then in Shillong, I definitely recommend going to Police Bazaar, having breakfast there, having dinner there. Those are 2 things you have to do. Get a haircut if you want, like I did. Also go up to Cloud9 and get incredible views. And also visit the main market. It's like a feast on the eyes. It's like, it really is sensory overload. You get to see them like butchering, you know, beef, pig, what else? If you guys saw fish, chicken. I mean, they have everything there. So if you really want to experience what this place is about, definitely go there. And yeah, this state is amazing. So next time you find yourself visiting India, come up to Shillong, stay here, and you will love it. And guys, if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to my boy's channel, Paul.
Yeah, my channel is Travel with Paul.
And we'll see you on the next food and travel adventure in Meghalaya. Peace.